back to Jimsraisedbedgarden just for a quick update and let you all know what's going on. As the year goes on, things obviously slow down, but I get a surprise, see exactly what has grown. Let's go and have a look. Right folks, let's start off in one of the main beds. I have leeks still growing in here. I think they're all doing quite good. Bit thin, growing taller, and I think I need this bed for my overwintering onions, probably middle to end of October. So I think the job on there is to get these chopped up and frozen. You can see in there I've got a lot of lettuce still growing away quite nicely. The wind's not disturbing the sound too much, but even right in the bottom corner here, I don't know how this has got here, lo and behold we have a carrot. Wonders never cease, they get everywhere, don't they? I'll just take you around and have a look at my dwarf French beans. I've been really pleased with these. I'm hooked, I'm afraid. There's a few nice little small ones there, but I've been picking these quite regular, thanks to Ali. You'll see there's another picking due just round this corner. There are these slenderette dwarf French beans, really good. Thoroughly recommend them. So that's a plus. Here's a negative. Jim's carrot bed. Yeah. Autumn King. And the gap is early 90s, which I think are very late. And I have a few Touchon. But when you go and have a look, maybe something there. I might have done it in injustice. The ones I've done before, there was nothing there. Very poor. So, move around the corner. This is all dying off. Tomatoes have gone, but obviously the marigolds are absolutely thriving. Celery, absolutely chuffed to bits. This is still going strong. Really pleased. Best thing I ever did, trying celery. Courgettes, I thought I'd finished. I have another one there, so that'll be 2 in 2 weeks when I thought it was all over. Plans or not plans for them, which I'll describe and go through later on in the month. Blueberries, I'll try and get out of the way and show you me blueberries. Plenty of growth. Did I get a blueberry? Not one. Not one. Work to be done on them. Christmas potatoes, doing really well. Chuffed a bit. Shallots. Here are my I can't remember what I planted first. I planted some peas, rondo, or did I plant my dwarf French beans? Either way, I thought, oh, they've not worked, and I planted the second lot, and now I've got possibilities of both. There's a few flowers on the other side, but there might be something. But as you can see, this one's absolutely been decimated. There might even be a flower there. Very little. Still worth a try. Now this is a embarrassment, but I don't know if you can see through the sheen on netting there, I do have 3 cabbages, but in this bed it's nearly all weeds, and I planted 3 rows of 3. Middle row was cauliflower, but all these weeds need to be picked out, but I'm scared to pick them. I shall get the obvious ones, but I don't want to unpick in case anything's still growing. So work to be done definitely on this one. This bed was just planted just to come and see, really. As you can see, the carrots really started. Now whether it's too late, you can tell me. End of September, is there still a chance? They need thinning out, obviously. And I've got some lettuces there that need thinning out. And some beetroot. I don't have much faith in the beetroot, but you never know. A little bit of basil, as you can't see. And more slender red, but not much. And then obviously I've still got my cara. I'm hoping they're still alright under the soil. But yeah, been impressed with cara. And this is my onion bed. So I'm picking these as we go. And Ailsa Craig, they're not massive, but you certainly can use them, can't you? There's no real need for this bed till next March, so there's all my pickled onions and a few beetroot, which are crazy, but they need to be a bit bigger than that, don't they, before you can. If anyone knows when's a cut-off date for me beetroot, I'll be over the moon. As you can see, me carrots have really done well. I think they have anyway. These are the best carrots of the year. Crazy. More plans for next year with the carrots. So next video we'll let you know what's going on. Beetroot. You can't really see there. That's not too bad, is it? Quite pleased with them. And then the old tomatoes. I only thought I had marigolds in there, but look at these. So I don't know what they are or where they come from, but they're doing alright. So that's a plus. Strawberry bed finished. Now, hopefully you can see these, the sunflowers. It took that long to get a sunflower. Now I've got 4 or 5. Really, really nice. And I've got more growth there. There's more, I don't know what these are called. But these are, obviously this one's dying off. If you can let us know how you go on with saving these seeds for next year, because I'll definitely grow these again. And my sweet corn, wow. Incredible F1. And I took one from here and we had it for tea. Absolutely lovely. Thoroughly recommend that. Incredible F1. Yeah. So there's a few more on here, like, but I'll give them a try. Take me time. So overall, I know the season's coming to an end, but I've still got a few pieces grown, like me onions, me carrots, potatoes in there. I'll just take you over to finish off. I've had these covered, the Brussels sprouts. Now I'm really looking forward to these, but the leaves don't look too clever. But there are a few on there, just very, very small. I don't know if you can see them actually. Disappointing. But I'm not in a rush. As long as they're covered for the nasties, I think Christmas will do me. I use Epsom salts for feeding. I don't know if anyone else growing Brussels sprouts uses Epsom salts, or they have another feed. But I live in hope. I haven't given up yet. I think that's about it, folks. Some ups, some downs, but I think thoroughly enjoyed it. Always looking to enjoy and learn. As long as I learn, I'm happy. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you can give me a like, a subscribe, or comments. Any comments, advice, gratefully appreciated. Like I say, I'll do another one in a couple of weeks maybe, with my plans for next year. A few changes, some advice needed as usual, but hopefully see you all in that next one. Cheers for now.